I'm Karla Hawkins.
And I'm Jasmine Patterson.
And my journey to Encounter was pretty cool. Once I found out about it, I looked up some information about it, and it looked like something that I really wanted to do. Maybe like have a retreat type of atmosphere, and an atmosphere or space where I could like just reset, refresh myself, and just like mentally figure out what my next few steps are going to be. So after I made the decision to attend Encounter, I started making plans. I booked a flight, figured out my transportation, how I was going to get from the airport to the actual retreat location. And I also figured, since I'm coming all the way out here, I might as well just enjoy my time and relax a few days later after it. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm happy I came. I definitely feel refreshed. I feel like, hella motivated to just take the rest of my life, take charge of the rest of my life and move forward.
Can you tell me a story, any kind of conversation or anything that happened here? Like a story, maybe the best moment or something like that, or something you just remember right now?
Well, the zip lining was a lot of fun. That was the first time I zip lined, so I was a little bit scared at first. But once I jumped off, it was like, I was like, all right, you got this, you got this. I'm scared, but I know I got this. Jumped off, and then I just enjoyed it. And I kind of like just let go.
Alright, so I'm in LA, so I didn't have as far as the journey as she did. So I connected through the Excel, or was it through the document, who had people who were traveling either from LA or across the country, and I connected with 2 people. They reached out to me, which was good. It was easy to find people to see how we can connect, and we carpooled. I actually got picked up. It was really convenient. Just transferred $10 on Cash App. That's all she asked for, and the ride up was good. It was fun to find out that she actually lived in Philly. Found another person that was from Philly and another person that was from Philly, but the ride up anyway was really good. Smooth, got in, check-in was easy. Heading back, I'm actually traveling with someone else in a carpool who is traveling back to Philly tonight, like I am, because I'm going back home. And we're actually going to connect afterwards, after we leave the retreat, to go to the beach with Karla as well. And then we're going to go head to the airport together. So getting to Encounter Camp is easy. Document everyone's contact info. Ride was smooth.